You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to share your WhatsApp status directly to Instagram. Currently, there is no direct one-tap button to share a WhatsApp status to Instagram. However, you can easily do it manually. First, view your own WhatsApp status by tapping your profile picture in the Status tab. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right, select Save. This saves the status photo or video to your phone's gallery. Now open Instagram to post it to your story. Swipe right or tap your profile picture to create a story. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. Select the saved status from your photos and share it. To post it as a reel, tap the plus icon. Select Reel. Choose the video from your gallery, edit and post. Alternatively, you can use the share sheet. After saving the status, open your phone's gallery, select the file, tap the share icon, and choose Instagram from the app list. This method ensures the content is shared in the best quality. Remember, WhatsApp statuses are only visible for 24 hours, so save them promptly if you want to reuse them. For more simple cross-platform sharing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.